All right, guys, here we go. If you didn't already see on my Instagram story, we're going to be shooting an amazing wedding in Paris this coming June 2019 at the end of the month. And of course, we're going to be extending our trip several days so that we can get additional styled shots while we're over there. So instead of a bunch of sightseeing, I plan on hiring some professional agency fashion models while we're in Paris and doing some creative shots all around the city. This is going to be amazing, very well planned, and the end results are going to be stunning and a part of my portfolio forever. So this is going to be money very well spent in an investment that is just undoubtedly going to be well worth it. So I'm going to be doing this just so that you know, with or without any of you there. So this is not contingent on this or anything like that. Now, with that said, if you want to come and join us for this day of shooting for a bit of a photography workshop, I am open to that, and I will help ensure that you each get the same amazing results for your own portfolio. I'll go over lighting and posing and composition. You'll see exactly firsthand how we do what we do, and then you'll be able to apply this right then and there to get your own amazing results in camera. I can't begin to tell you how excited we are for this and to take the opportunity to get stunning portfolio shots in one of the most beautiful cities in the world is just a no-brainer to me. Now here's the deal, I'm only going to be offering this for 4 people, that's it. We need to be light, we need to be mobile, and we need to be able to go from place to place very quickly. And the key, as we learned from Italy this past month, is to not bog ourselves down with a large group. So this way we have plenty of time and attention for you guys one-on-one instead of a larger group of audience. Things can get lost in translation, and that's not what we want. As an additional bonus, I'm going to be filming this whole thing for you guys as a future reference, and after this, I'm going to be sending you all a private video which will walk you through the post-processing from start to finish on all these shots so you guys can see all the photo magic that happens after the fact on the computer, which in by itself is going to be well worth it. So if this is something that you're interested in, simply shoot me a DM on Instagram. This way we can start a conversation back and forth about pricing, current availability, and of course, answer all your questions. 2019 is going to be a killer year. This is an opportunity to break out of the mold, step up your game, and get some results that are going to be the talk of the town. Let's do it.
Just when you think you know about photography, you realize you don't know.
When I first heard about Travis Harris, he actually shot my wedding, and when my wife and I chose him as a photographer, we were amazed at the type of photos that he takes, and I wanted to kind of learn the science behind what he did.
Well, let me tell you something. This is probably one of the best workshops I've been to. Travis was an awesome teacher, okay? Group size was small. Models, beautiful, wanted to work with you. We had lights here, we had everything here, and everybody was very friendly here.
But most importantly, and one of the reasons that I attended the workshop, was to learn about lighting. He taught us how to position the lighting, whether working with 1 light or 2 lights.
And where to place the model and how to pose her, which is something huge for me. So I learned a lot.
And using the sun as a backlight for the model, which I think was a very unique experience.
And today was my really first time doing this workshop with him. And I really learned a lot. And a lot of things stick on my head, especially on lighting.
And I highly recommend that if you want to learn more about photography, just check out Travis Harris' stuff and his next workshop. Go for it, because I guarantee you'll learn a lot.